Hello my lovely people, my name is Ifalabi, and in today's video I decided to try a little fun experiment. I decided to pitch two different brownies, a brownies using just 3 ingredients and like the classic brownies. So it's going to be a new series moving forward, doing a simple version of something and then doing the more elaborate version of the food. So I'll see you on the flip side. This is such an easy recipe. First, you need the Nutella, 2 eggs, and a half cup of flour. Always measure your things with an electric scale. It makes a hell lot of a difference. Add the eggs to the chocolate spread. Mix that together till it forms ribbony ribbons. And then add the half cup or 65g of flour. Make sure you sift it and then fold it in. Mix it all together. Pour into your prepared dish lined with parchment paper. Bake 175 degrees for 12 minutes. Seriously, just 12 minutes. Cut it into your desired sizes and then serve. I need to learn how to do proportions. Then we have our more complicated brownie, which is 170g of butter, dark chocolate, cocoa powder, sugar, pastry flour, 2 eggs, and salt. Very importantly, add salt. So add the butter to the sugar, cream it together till it becomes very smooth. Add your eggs, add your vanilla essence, mix that together. I was using the hand mixer, but make sure that it becomes very smooth. Add your melted chocolate to it, 4 ounces of melted chocolate. Add it, sift in your flour and then your cocoa powder. Use original Ghanaian cocoa powder. It is really good. Mix that together, but make sure to not overmix. Add in your chopped chocolate and also transfer it to a baking dish lined with parchment paper. Bake it for 23 minutes at 180 degrees and serve it up. And honestly, the house smelled a lot like chocolate, and that is my dream thing to have. And we are back. This is a 3 ingredient brownie and it looks and smells wonderful. And I don't know if it will taste as wonderful, so let's find out. There's just something missing. I can't seem to pinpoint what exactly it is, but it's very moist. Very, very moist. I really enjoy this. And I like the fact that in less than 20 minutes you have this and you are good to go for the day. And this is the multi-layered brownie. Using quality chocolate and the cocoa powder and the eggs and the butter is just mwah. This is perfection, okay, on different kinds of steroids. So all in all, I think I would prefer this over the 3 ingredient one. I had fun creating this, and the fact that this whole kitchen smells like chocolate was just the icing on the brownie, literally. So my name is Ifalabi. If you do try any of these recipes, send me your pictures and let me post it up on my social media, and I will see you on my next video.